Let's Be Well Read is something which it really is something that's close to my heart because most Indian women have a problem with iron deficiency. In fact, I also went through it. And it's something that women need to get checked. We feel fatigued, we feel tired. There are a lot of other issues involved, especially during the pregnancy. And in general, I think that awareness is very, very important. And I love the fact that we're actually doing something like this. And you can see a bit about it.
Sure. So I think for women in India, more than anything, it's super essential that they take care of themselves
Yeah.
because that would benefit the society and the nation as a whole. And Let's Be Well Read is an initiative that started from the women for the women. We got the idea from the women in the slums, and then we created the Goodness Bar for the women. All we did was get our resources to create the Goodness Bar and provide them a solution for their problem.
I think that being a celebrity, whether it's Bollywood or whether it's any celebrity, we have a certain social responsibility to make people aware. Like for example, I remember in my first 2-3 years of becoming an actress, my mother took me to a lot of cancer institutes, and she made me really do a lot of work because she said that you have to give something back, and if you have something, you have the power to reach people, you have to reach them for also the right reasons. So I think that every celebrity, whether it's Bollywood or any other, we have a responsibility to do this, and that's why this is all part of it. We are all here in good faith. We're here as friends. There's no other reason.